First things first, you want to make sure you protect your workspace with an old towel or cloth. Then you want to take your e-file and get the coarsest grit file that you have to remove the old dip. Once you file down the old dip, soak your cotton ball in acetone, put it on your fingernail, and wrap it with aluminum foil. Set a timer for 15 minutes and wait it out. Remove the aluminum foil and acetone-soaked cotton balls, making sure to press down as you pull off. Next, you want to take your e-file with a finer grit and buff out those nails. If you have any leftover dip that was resistant to the acetone, gently buff it out. Take a brush and dust off all your nails. Then file your nails to the desired shape. The footage of me doing the first layer, but you're going to want to take step 1 from the Serendipity kit, the base, and take it 3/4 of the way down your nail. Make sure that you do one nail at a time with these next steps. Once you've got the base onto your nail, you want to dip it into the dip powder at a 45-degree angle, which I did not do here, but trust me, this is very important. Once you've dipped your nail, make sure to tap the excess off and move on to the next nail. Once you've finished all nails on your hand, make sure you dust the nails off with a brush. Do this between each coat. This is a very, very important step that cannot be skipped. On your second coat, make sure you cover all of your nail, staying away from the cuticle. Dip it into the dip powder once again, tap the excess off, and brush. Then, once you're done with your second layer, you want to take this base all the way down to your cuticle and dip again, tap, and brush. Once you're done with these 3 layers, you want to take step 2 in the kit, which is the sealer, and cover all the nails. This you can do one after the other. And once they're dry, you want to file them down again. Once you've gotten your desired shape and smoothness, apply one more layer of step 2 in the Serendipity kit, the sealer. Then you're going to take your gel base coat, apply 1 coat to each nail, cure for 60 seconds. Then you're going to apply a top coat, cure for 60 seconds again. And then I like to add another top coat just to make my nails strong and super shiny. And the last coat, I always make sure I do 90 seconds just to be 100% certain that everything's nice and dry. Once you're finished, you want to apply a cuticle oil to those cuticles to make sure they're nice and hydrated after everything you've done to them. And that concludes this tutorial, guys. I hope you loved it. I'll be coming back with more nail tutorials, better quality, better camera, and hopefully less lost footage next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and reach out to me on all my other social media platforms. You can also check me out on thelyfestyleplug.com, lifestyle with a Y. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.